How do I send a cross-domain post request via JavaScript? Notes, it shouldn't refresh the page. And I need to grab and pass the response afterwards. Update. Before continuing, everyone should read and understand the web.dev tutorial on CORS. It is easy to understand and very clear. If you control the server being posted, simply leverage the cross-origin resource sharing standard by setting response headers on the server. This answer is discussed in other answers in this thread, but not very clearly in my opinion. In short, here is how you accomplish the cross-domain post from .com/1.attl2 to .com/post here, using PHP as an example. Note, you only need to set access control origin for non-options requests. This example always sets all headers for a smaller code snippet. In post here, set up the following. This allows your script to make cross-domain post, get and options. This will become clear as you continue to read. Set up your cross-domain post from JSQuery example, $ajax type, post, al, https://2, com/post here cross-domain, true, data, sum, data type, success, function response text status, jqxhr value equals, response data.sum key, error, function response text status, error thrown alert post failed. When you do the post in step 2, your browser will send a options method to the server. This is a sniff by the browser to see if the server is cool with you posting to it. The server responds with an access control origin telling the browser it's okay to post get origin if request originated from :// from.com or https:// from.com. Since the server is okay with it, the browser will make a second request, this time a post. It is good practice to have your client set the content type it is sending, so you'll need to allow that as well. MD has a great write-up about HTTP access control that goes into detail of how the entire flow works. According to their docs, it should work in browsers that support cross-sites multi-request. This is a bit misleading, however, as I think only modern browsers allow cross-domain post. I have only verified this works with Safari, Chrome, FF3.6. Keep in mind the following: if you do this, your server will have to handle 2 requests per operation. You will have to think about the security implications. Be careful before doing something like access control origin. Asterisk, this won't work on mobile browsers. In my experience, they do not allow cross-domain post at all. I've tested Android, iPad, iPhone. There is a pretty big bug in FF3.6 where if the server returns a non for 100 response code, and there is a response body validation errors, for example, FF3.6 won't get the response body. This is a huge pain in the ass, since you can't use good REST practices. See bug here, it's filed under jQuery, but my guess is its AFF bug seems to be fixed in 4. Always return the headers above, not just on option requests. FF needs it in the response from the post.